Are you feeling that familiar friction with Relay Bank? Maybe the features aren't quite clicking with your business needs, or perhaps the limitations are starting to slow down your growth. For a long time, I relied on Relay for my business banking, and it definitely served a purpose, especially when I needed a solution with multiple accounts for managing different income streams and tax savings. But as my business scaled, I realized that while it was good, it might not be the best fit for everyone, including my future self. So, if you're standing at that pivot point, wondering, what's next? I've put together a list of the top 3 alternatives I've personally researched, considered, or even used that offer a different, and potentially better, experience depending on your specific situation. Main content. Alternative 1, Mercury. Alternative 1, Mercury. If your business is tech-focused, in the startup world, or if you're looking for a bank that can grow with venture capital and sophisticated tools, Mercury is the first alternative you should look at. Why I considered it. Mercury's value proposition is simple. They are built for startups and e-commerce. Their interface is incredibly clean, much more intuitive than Relay's dashboard, in my opinion. They also offer a substantial $20,000 to $1 million in FDIC-insured coverage, which is a massive safety net if you keep high balances. The straight talk. They integrate beautifully with payment processors like Stripe and platforms like Shopify. If you frequently need to manage large transfers or are looking for future investment-related services, Mercury is the clear winner here. Where Relay focuses on simple account segmentation, Mercury focuses on funding and scale. Main content. Alternative 2, Bluevine. Alternative 2, Bluevine. If your primary need is robust access to cash and high interest earning potential on your deposits, Bluevine is the alternative you need to explore. Why I considered it. My biggest pull to Bluevine was the incredible interest rate. At the time I was looking, they offered an extremely competitive APY on balances up to a certain limit, which meant my idle cash was actually working for me, something Relay didn't offer to the same degree. They also offer a feature called Bluevine Business Banking. This is crucial if you need quick access to financing, lines of credit, or term loans. The straight talk. This is the best option if cash flow and access to capital are your main pain points. While Relay is more of a digital checking solution, Bluevine is a full-service financial platform that can support both your day-to-day banking and your financing needs. It's a great fit for established small businesses that need more than just checking accounts. Main content. Alternative 3, Novo. Alternative 3, Novo. If what you liked about Relay was the simplicity and the focus on digital business owners, but you need more aggressive integration tools, Novo is a strong, streamlined competitor. Why I considered it. I found Novo's app and desktop experience to be extremely clean, almost minimalist. They integrate with practically every tool a modern digital business uses: Shopify, Etsy, QuickBooks, Stripe, PayPal. Crucially, they offer Novo Reserves, which are their answer to Relay's multiple accounts, allowing you to easily set aside funds for taxes or expenses. The straight talk. Novo is perfect if you're a solopreneur, freelancer, or run a small agency. They excel at giving you an overview of your finances across all platforms in one place. They also refund all ATM fees, which is a huge perk if you're frequently traveling or dealing with vendors who require cash deposits. The only potential snag is that their cash deposit options can be a little less straightforward than the others. Conclusion. So, here's the summary based on my experience. Choose Mercury if you're a funded startup or tech-focused business looking for scale and sophisticated integration. Choose Bluevine if you need high interest earning potential and strong access to business financing and lines of credit. Choose Novo if you're a solopreneur who prioritizes simplicity, full ATM fee refunds, and broad integration with e-commerce and payment apps. Each of these solved a problem I had with Relay, but they each solve a different one. The right alternative completely depends on what your business needs right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.